Listen, this has been a long time coming. Very long time. I was supposed to do this like last year, but it's finally here. Building a gaming PC. Well, more like editing and gaming PC. Mostly editing, but gaming PC, sure. But obviously, you see all this stuff. I'll put the specs up somewhere or whatever. But my last PC, or the PC I have right now, if you just compare the specs, it's just like, it's terrible, it's terrible. But we're making an upgrade. Oh, oh, that just looks so clean, so beautiful. I'm excited, I'm excited. That arrow, this arrow. Oh, that just like slides in. Kind of perfect, to be honest. Okay, so we're trying to tighten the screws. I thought it was like harder. Why is this so close? I just realized that. What the fuck? Yeah, this cooler makes it really hard to place the memory here. This is scaring me, oh my gosh. Like, it feels like I'm about to break it. Panic, sure panic. But that was definitely not ideal. So whenever I watch videos, it's like, they just like pop it in. So it's like, am I doing this wrong? Let's go. See, that one's a lot easier. Now they actually like know what force you should be expecting. After a long time, trials and tribulations. What? I'm pressing the wrong button. Okay, so after, I want to say like an hour, hour and a half, maybe even, no, not like 2 hours, but a long time of troubleshooting. I swear to God, I put this PC together 3 times by now, taking everything apart, put it all back, trying to figure out why the hell this won't turn on. And then it turns out these little front panel cables were just like one spot over in the wrong spot. So like that's why this little mother freaking power button didn't work. The stress. It's time to see if this bitch boots. Yes, sir. Oh my God, this took so long. We're gonna picture the thing. Try to complete. Let's go. I've now joined the PC Master Race. Feels good. Took a long time, like officially now. Like my other computer's alright. Not even alright. It was bad. Not good. But this feels good. I'm gonna end this video here, I think, and then get to work on actually installing stuff and drivers. And I don't know what else to say. We're signing out.